Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get the priority access to Leonardo AI. So in this video I'll show you step by step how to register on Leonardo AI and how to start using it, guys. First of all, you need to open this website. I will leave the link in the description, leonardo.ai. And then in the top right menu you will see this button here, get early access. You should click this button. You should enter your email address here, and then click count me in. We enter the email address, and the next thing we should do is join their Discord server. Guys, if you don't have Discord, first of all create a Discord account and then click join the Discord button. So we joined Leonardo's Discord server and we are in the wait list, guys. We already entered our email address and we already are in the wait list for Leonardo, but we can make this process much more faster, guys. And to do it, you should find the general chat here in their Discord. Click general, and here when you jump to the present messages, and in the message box you should write hash priority, and you should click priority early access. Click enter and click this link, guys. After you click it, you will be redirected to this page, guys, and you should copy this Google Docs link, then go to your browser, paste this link here, and go to the priority whitelist form. Fill all of the gaps here. Have you joined the Leonardo AI's Discord? Click yes. Enter your Discord username, enter your email address which you used on Leonardo AI's website, and enter your first name, guys. Then click submit, and most likely in 24 hours you will get the invite on your Gmail, guys, which looks like this. Hey there, you are in. So you should wait for this message, and after that moment you can start using Leonardo AI for absolutely free. You know that it's one of the best Midjourney's competitor, and it's almost free at the moment. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. We need your likes. See you in the next video.